Hello viewers, welcome to Amanda TV. Today I'm going to show you a new innovation in town called biofuel stove. Like, this stove is very amazing. Here we go. Look at it. First of all, see the gel. The gel came with the stove. You don't need to add too much, just a little quantity. Like this, a little quantity of gel. Open it and just pour. Just pour. You don't need all. Don't need too much. So this quantity is okay. It's just enough. Like, it's just enough. Next thing you will do, you can just ignite this stove with match or lighter. So let us do it now. You off it, then on. See, it's on. Wow, it is on. Can you not see it? Can't you not see it? Now let me cook. Wow, this is very amazing. Wow, my phone is ringing. Can you see that? Okay. See, I can pick this call. Hello, mommy. I'm cooking with biofuel stove. It's very amazing. I'm even answering the call where I'm cooking. You can see I've just finished answering call with my phone where I am cooking with biofuel stove. It is not inflammable. It is not like the normal gas we normally use, and two, it doesn't explode. It doesn't even litter the pot. Look at the pot. It's still fresh and clean. It doesn't litter the pot. And you can see it that the flame is always blue. Wow! You can see this stove. You can see the food is already boiling. Like, it didn't even take many minutes. Just in a jiffy. It's already done. Oh my god. Like, I love the stove. I love it. Wow, wow, wow. Person that created this is very intelligent. Like, that person has smart brain. I love this. Do you know why you need this biofuel stove and gel? Because it is far more cheaper than the normal cooking gas we use in our various homes. In some families that spend 9,000 naira in 3 weeks, but with this gel you can spend 4,000 naira or less than that. From my experience, for the gel to last longer, you must keep the stove in a confined place where all the windows and doors are closed to avoid air blowing around it, because it produces oxygen. To order for this stove, call these numbers: 080 333 818 39. Again, 080 333 818 39. 070 30 85 81 36. 070 30 85 81 36. Thank you.